Barrel stove kit is a great way to heat your home, workshop, or garage without spending a lot of money. There are many different types and sizes of barrel stoves, so it is important to choose the right one for your needs. Here are the 10 best barrel stove kits, based on our research. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Vidalia propane gas burner. The Coleman Classic propane stove is one of the best portable stoves on the market. It is perfect for cooking for up to 10 people and comes with a foldable design for easy transport. The wood-burning design means that you get the authentic taste. It also comes with a propane burner kit for added convenience. The stainless steel construction adds to the durability of the stove. You can also use other types of fuels with this stove, making it even more versatile. The exhaust pipe ensures that there is no smoke. The stove comes with the entire setup, making it easy to use. All of these features make the Coleman Classic propane stove a great choice for anyone looking for a portable stove. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the MSR Pocketrocket Ultralight Camping. We are highlighting a stove that is made of aluminum material. It is lightweight and durable because it is made of aluminum. The stove runs on LPG and is easy to place in your backpack when you fold it up. The weight of the stove is 25.8 ounces. The stove supports a 2 liters aluminum pot. You also get 2 deep dish bowls and 2 double wall mugs. The strainer lid allows you to prepare the ingredients easily. You also get 2 folding spoons. The fact that you are getting the entire setup makes this portable stove a good choice. At number 3 on our list, we have the Mr. Heater Double Camp Stove Kit. The advantage of this barrel stove kit is that it is suitable for dual barrels. Due to the same, you can create a large stove quite easily. The detailed installation instructions help you with the same. Once you install it, you can use the stove along with any fuel type like LPG, kerosene, etc. Due to the same, the stove becomes versatile. The industrial quality means that you will not have to worry about wear and tear either. Thus, if you're looking for a double barrel stove kit, you should consider this one. At number 4 on our list, we have the US Stove Company BK50E Natural Organic. The option which we are highlighting now can convert a double barrel into a stove. Also, the kit is such that it increases the heat radiation. Consequently, you will not have to use a lot of fuel to cook your food. The advantage is that you can use the kit for cooking in your cabin, barn, and workshop. The high-quality hardware means that you will not have to worry about wear and tear either. The simplicity and convenience of this kit makes it a good choice. At number 5 on our list, we have the Vagelsang US Stove BK Ad1000 Ad1000 stove. This kit's cast iron construction is one of the main reasons you should go for it. Moreover, the kit can convert any 30 gallons or 55-gallon drum into a stove. It has a built-in dampener as well. The same can allow you to control the airflow and, therefore, the temperature. The weight is 25 lbs. Carrying it around is undoubtedly possible due to the same. The door opening is 103x113. Consequently, accessing the contents inside is not going to be a problem. The efficient burning mechanism means that the amount of fuel consumed is on the lower side. If you're looking for a versatile barrel stove kit, do consider this option. At number 6 on our list, we have the Midwest Hearth 3440 gasket kit. The kit which we are highlighting now is a gasket kit. Due to the same, it can quickly improve blood circulation. It reduces energy loss. With the help of 4 feet of wire mesh basket, you can be sure that incorporating it along with the drum will be easy. The accessories can easily handle up to 2000 degrees. It caters to any material from steel to cast iron. It is compatible with most barrels. If you're looking to make your barrel more efficient for cooking, you should consider this option. At number 7 on our list, we have the Vagelsang 55G Grate for Barrel Kit. When you are converting any barrel into a cooking stove, it is essential to have a grate. It can make cooking easy for you. This grate aims to increase air circulation. When that happens, the fuel burns more efficiently. It improves the burn cycle. The material is cast iron. Due to the same, it can last for years together. When you're using a barrel as a stove, this grate is almost a necessity. At number 8 on our list, we have the Duravin 6 DuraPlus Through the Wall Kit. The kit we are speaking about now can help you convert the barrel into the stove and provide an exhaust chimney. The 6-inch chimney pipe ensures that you will not have to worry about smoke. The secure lock mechanism means that installing it in place is relatively easy. It comes along with a 402 chimney pipe. You get all the accessories along with it, which help you in installing the chimney. The triple wall design means that you will not have to worry about the odor or the smoke leaking. It is perfect for any burning barrel stove. Thus, if you're looking for an exhaust barrel stove, you should consider this option. At number 9 on our list, we have the US Stove BK Ad500 barrel camp stove. The USP of this kit is the cast iron construction. Also, it is compatible with the 55-gallon drum. Due to the same, you can easily use it for large-scale cooking. The cast iron construction increases its lifespan. The installation is easy. You get detailed instructions for the same. There is a dampener collar as well, which allows you to control the airflow. Also, it requires little to no maintenance, which is another reason to buy it. The cast iron construction and compatibility with the larger barrel makes it a good choice. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the US Stove BK Ad1000 barrel camp stove kit. The barrel stove kit, which we are highlighting, now consists of all the accessories. These include radiation shield, flue, floor protector, chimney connector, thimble, and so on. All these materials make it easy for you to convert the barrel into a stove. The lightweight design means that carrying it around is easy. Assembling is easy. The cast iron construction reduces wear and tear. The weight of the entire kit is 27 lbs. Consequently, moving it around is not going to be a problem due to the same. Since you are getting the whole accessory kit, you should go for it. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.